Look what we have here. A brand new, old stock Orbea Diem. This is a carbon frame. It's an amazing bike. We bought this just for 500 euros. It's old, but I think it has just few kilometers on it. Everything is in carbon. We can put the old V brakes. Also there are disc brakes on this, very good option. It has internal gearing. I think that this needs only a kind of maintenance, and it will be great for the road. Let's try this. Very nice the feel, I like it a lot. If we start some maintenance, the bike will feel perfect. New tires, and that's it, ready to race. Also you can put some drop bars in this, and it will be a great road bike, or you can keep it like that to be like a trekking bike, fitness bike. Very nice, and just for 500 euros this amazing.